Hello guys, my name is Samuel Gones. I'm the founder of Irida Digitals and CrowdHost Ghana, and I have an amazing tutorial. This is a series, and this is about how to create a school management system using WordPress, okay, and a special plugin that I have developed, okay. So I'm going to walk you through step by step how you can use the plugin. I have already done an introduction, and a lot of people are making comment about it, and if you have not watched that, then check below this video. The link is there. If you're watching me on Facebook, check the comments. The link is there. You can watch the previous one. And this is part one. The first one was introduction, and we are going to look at part one. Okay. Now, so let us continue. Now, before you can create any website, you need a web hosting, okay, and a domain. It's very, very important. Without them, you can do it. The only web hosting company that I will recommend for you is CrowdHost Ghana. CrowdHost Ghana is that is our company. Okay, we provide a very cheap web hosting at a very that is a very cheap one and high speed as well. Now, so I'm not going to talk too much, so let's go to. I'm going to log in. I already have an account here, so I'm going to log in as a user. Okay, so I will use this domain, your email, and I will. Okay, so I have to check this. Okay, and then let's see. I think that's and another one is here, and this. Okay, and this one. Okay, so last one. Good. So I will click verify, and I can go to login. So this is my dashboard. Okay, yes, and I will not save that. I will just go straight. I'll pick the service, okay, of my domain. Okay, so this is let me go here. This is my domain, so I will click manage, and I can click here, log into control panel. Okay, so this is my dashboard. I just want to use the black and white interface, so let me go by that. Okay, good. So here I'm not going to walk you through how to buy domain and do stuff. Okay, straight away I just want to show you how to go about it. So I'm going to create a subdomain. That's what I'm going to use. Okay, in fact, I have a lot of subdomain here, so I'm going to create one. The one that I have, you see, the first demo website that I made video on that is we have demo.irida.com. This is a sample site. So those who are watching me for the first time, as I said earlier, the link is below this video. You have to watch the introduction video. So this is a sample one. This is not a complete website. This is just a landing page where the teachers and students can access their portal. Okay, that's it. Very simple. And I'm working on a church management system too, and then university portal. Yes. Okay, so let's proceed. So this is the sample one that that is the demo site. Okay, good. So right now, this is what I'm going to do. You see, this one, the subdomain is demo.irida.com. I want to create another subdomain, so I will make this one demo2. So it will take demo2.irida.com. Okay, see, that's the. I will click here for SS certificate and click save. Successful. Okay, so that is, I have it here. That is demo2. So I will click the logo, and then I will go to the main dashboard. Let me go down here and install the WordPress on using software clause. Okay, good. So I will go to overview. Okay, so let me just click install here. Then I will select the subdomain I just created, and that is okay. So this is the subdomain, that is demo2.irida.com. It's just demo site. I will enter my username here as the demo. Okay, and then I will just let me hide it and generate a random one. Yes, and I will just come here and uncheck all of them. Okay, good. So I have done that. Good. I don't need that. Okay, so that is all that I need. So I will just go down here and click install, and very soon it will complete the WordPress installation. So installation is ongoing and successful. I can just click here so that automatically it will log in. I will be able to log into my WordPress dashboard. Okay, that is if you want to log in without entering this username and the password, that's how you have to. I mean, you can do it in this way, but if you want to go back, then you can just enter /wp admin, then enter your. Okay, so I'm here. So I will uncheck that. Why am I doing this? I just want to have a clean dashboard. Okay, as you can see, everything is looking amazing. I can just go to post here. I'm running fast because my focus is the plugin, not WordPress installation. So I have to delete the post that came with the installation. So I'll go here and empty the trash. Okay. I also go to that is all pages, and I will click here, select trash, apply, and I can go to trash and empty the trash too. Okay, good. So I can also go to appearance, put them on the appearance, and you see themes. And this installation came with some themes that I don't like it. But first, let me install the one that I want to use. I want to use the cadence. Yeah, this one is the one that I want to use. So click install, and I will activate that. Okay, so now I'm going to delete all this default one. Okay, and this one too. Yes, you have to delete everything so that you have a clean dashboard. Now let's go to plugins and see if there is plugins. Okay, so I don't need all these plugins, so I will do bulk. I will select all of them, then delete and apply, and it will delete all of them. Very simple and easy. Okay, good. So I'm done. So here I will go to permalinks. It's very important. And under permalinks here, I will select post name. Okay, and I'll click save, and I'm done for now. Okay, so I can decide to go to general, and here I will enter the name of the school. So let's say it's Ireda Academy. So I'll write that. Okay, so I have given taglines. That is, I can say number one. You have to write something about the school. I don't know what to write, but number one, school. It's just tutorial. So school. School in Ghana. Okay, so let me just put it in that way, and I can click here and select just add it. What do you call it? That is, I will add this logo. That's my school logo. Okay, so I'll add that and crop it. So highest I've added that. Okay, so I can just go down here and click save, and you see I added that. Okay, so now let me open this in a new tab and let's see what we have done. So this is our interface. We are now using a new plugin. Okay, so I can also create a page. If you want to create a page, go to add new, add page, then over here, yes, let me close that. I can enter home, just home. Yes, I just want to add home page here and publish that. Let me click here to go to dashboard, and this is what I'm going to do. I will go to appearance, go to menus, then over here I'm going to create a menu. Just enter, I can just say main menu. That's what. Okay, main menu. It won't appear on the front end, so just enter. I will select that is the primary one and mobile, then and click create menu, and I can just I don't want to go back. No, I don't want to add a menu. I just want to have something like a landing page where we don't have anything here. Okay, so let me leave that. So right now I will go to, I'll put the mouse on the settings again, go to reading, and I will select a static page, and I will look for the home, go down and save it. Okay, so now I can just come back here. Let me click on the logo, and now it's looking good. Okay, so far so good. We're done with the installation of WordPress. Now the next one is we are going to look at where to get the plugin that I'm talking about. Okay, hello guys, now we are going to continue with the tutorials. Now let's move on to that's the next stage. Okay, so right now we are going to look at where to get a plugin, which is very, very important. Okay, so I'm going to show you where you can get a plugin, but for now let me close all this because we don't need them anymore. Yes, and now this is where we are building this site. That's demo 2, and there's a sample 1 there. Okay, no, there's the front end, and there's a sample 1. That's the demo. So the one that we are working on is demo 2, and this one is demo. Okay, so let's go to this site, that is shop. Just enter the link is below this video, shop.irida.com, shop.irida.com. So this is our website, and this is the plugin, Irida School Management, Irida School-based assessment system. Okay, good. So this is a plugin. If this is your first time, I will advise you to just go straight here and click that and then proceed. But don't do it in that way. I will advise you to first create an account. Okay, yes, create an account first. You can just go through the account creation process. Just fill the form, create accounts. You have to enter your password, confirm the password, and you can just log in and proceed with that. Okay, I already have an account here, so I'm going to log in as a user. Okay, and over here I'm going to enter that's my email account or address. Then I'll enter my password here. Okay, so let me click login. Okay, so this is my dashboard, and now let's go down here. I have one Lances here. As you can see, I already have one Lances. So after you have paid for the Lances, okay, you just have to go here. You select the package, or if you want to read more, you can just click here. Then you go through the package. Okay, yes, if you want to see more features which is included, you can just read more from here, and you can also read more. Okay, that's a lot of information here. After that, you can just click proceed. Okay, this button is not working well, so you can just click this, or you can just go to the front end, then straight away click on this one and proceed with that. Okay, but as I said, yes, sometimes it happens, but don't worry, it's everything is working. Okay, so as I said, I already have an account here, so I'll go to my dashboard, and over here you can get a plugin from here. Click download, then you can see the version here. Click on download, and it's ongoing. You'll be able to download the plugin from here, so I will click that, and I'm going to, okay, so yes, I have to proceed anyway. Okay, so download is ongoing, and it is done. Okay, good, it is done. Okay, so let me click here to view the plugin, and this is the plugin. Okay, so for now I will drag it and put it inside this folder. Okay, so it is done. Now it's inside here. I have some Elementor Pro plugins here. Let me delete it from here. So this is a plugin, okay, and this is the picture that I'm going to use. So first, make sure you extract it. Okay, so I will extract the plugin. Okay, so after that you get this folder. Inside we have this, the main plugin, and then the Lances user guide, and then a shortcode. Okay, you need them. So let me minimize that, and I can now close this and also close that. Okay, so right now I need the Lances key, so I will not close this one because I need the Lances key. So right now, let me go back here. Sorry, let me drag this and drop it here. Then come back to the dashboard. This is the dashboard. Then I'll go to plugins. Okay, so I'll go to add plugin, and here let me go and look for the plugin. Okay, so this is a plugin. Let me come back, drag it here, upload, and now I'm going to bring the plugin up. Okay, good. So I'm going to just drag this plugin and drop it inside. and click install. Okay, as you can see, it's successful. So I will just click activate, and now it's successful. But the plugin is requesting for Lance's key, that's the activation key. Okay, so let me click here. I can just click dashboard and look at the structure of the plugin. Okay, so this is the interface. Okay, the school name, it just copied the name from the what do you call it, that is from the site name, that is Radar Academy. Okay, good. So this is what I'm going to do. I have to enter the Lances key. So I'll come back here, go down here, you see Lances, click on that, and let's see. So with this, without the Lances, you'll be able to add up to 10 students. Okay, 10 students. But after removing the after adding the Lances, you can add unlimited students. Okay, and also you'll be able to some of the premium features like unlimited students, getting reports, bulk messages, premium support. Yes, if you are facing any challenge, you can just reach out to us and we will help you with that. Okay, so I will go to here. Sorry, let me come back here. Then I'll go to Lances and copy the Lances from here. Maybe you can't see it, but don't worry. Yeah, so I'll come back. I'll go back to the dashboard and I'll paste the Lances here. So let me paste the Lances and click activate. So let's wait for a while and wait. Okay, so I think it's successful. Let's see, still loading. So you can see the activation is now successful. You can see unlimited and everything has been activated. So we can add unlimited student. Okay, right. So far so good. We are done here. In our next video, we'll be looking at the basic settings, that is how to use the plugin. So we are done with activation. Okay, yes. So thank you for watching. Let me give this offer after this video. After recording this video, I don't have I just created this Lances save. I'm talking about the one that I'm using to sell the Lances, shop.irida.com. So I'm still adding more features. I don't have coupon. Yeah, I have not done that yet, but I will do it later. But this is what I'm going to do. The price is 300. I'm going to give it to the first 10 people for just 200 Ghana cedis who is ready for first 10 people. So after this video, I will change the price to 200 cedis. So let's convert the Ghana cedis to dollars because we have foreigners among us. So let's see the cedis, dollars to cedis or cedis to dollars. Any of them is okay. So here we have the dollars. $1 is 10.45. That's what I can see here. So let's say 300, 200. Okay, so now it's 200. 200 is less than $20. Okay, yeah, it's very cheap. So this foreigners, so that you'll be able to know the amount that I'm talking about here. So thank you for watching. As I said, in the next video we will look at how to use the plugin. Bye bye.